So guys,
hi!
We're actually in Sedona, Arizona, and we're on a hike. We're actually at the Brins Mesa Trail, a hike trail, and we're exploring the mountainside and just you know, looking at all the beauty and the majestic, you know, nature of nature essentially.
And we're actually hiking on the red rocks themselves right now. It's just breathtaking.
Look at the
so
side.
Clear out. Oh my gosh. So this is just, words can't even describe how magical Sedona is. The weather is so gorgeous right now. And this is the ultimate vacation when you just want to relax in nature. But look all around us. There's just nothing but red rocks all around us.
And also, you know, like you want to take a little trip and take a break, you know, away from like the busy life. The busy life, and you know, away from like the city life for, you know, just a few days. And you know, usually we go to Vegas or some other, you know, busy city, but this is a nice, you know, shift, a little change away from like the busyness of life.
And just really relaxing. So this is a pretty easy trail. There are a lot of rocks you have to go and walk over, so definitely bring comfortable shoes that are very applicable for hiking. Dress comfortably. Also, if you're coming in the winter, just wear layers, because it is about low 60s right now, but then when you're walking and doing the hike, you're gonna start warming up. But it's definitely, I would say, like a more mild trail, not too hard, so pretty much most people could access it and definitely enjoy it.
Like, to be honest, like, we're not even like hikers, you know, if that's the thing. Like, we're not even like hikers.
I'm actually wearing my Chelsea boots. Oops, I totally just fell into.
Yeah, I'm like wearing like my Nike Roche ones.
So maybe you don't want to wear Chelsea boots if you're not paying attention as you're walking over the rock.
Yeah. careful when you walk around the rocks, because there's a lot of loose rocks. So, and right below is a drop off of about 300 feet. So definitely want to watch your step and your footing. But at the same time, and I can't help but be mesmerized by the beautiful magnificence of the site.
So we're hiking now back down. We just went to the brim of Bryn's Mesa and it was just out of this world. One of a kind amazing experience. Just standing there at like the top of this mountain just with red rocks all around you. It was just so magical. So now it's another about 1.5 miles back down the mountain to the parking. But this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you guys definitely someday should try. So I'm going to show you guys from the parking lot how to find the Bryn's Mesa Trail. So right over here you will see the parking lot. So from the parking lot you're going to just walk straight ahead and you're going to see this sign right here. Kind of shows a fire they had before in the Bryn's Mesa Canyon. And then you want to look for this sign right here. Bryn's Mesa. Highly, highly recommend. We just finished this trail and it was just one of a kind magical experience. And then this is where the trail begins. So we just finished an amazing lunch. Now we're walking through downtown